Let us explore Google Cloud Platform's big data services and tools. We will focus on BigQuery for data warehousing and analytics, Dataflow for stream and batch processing, and Pub or Sub for messaging and event streaming. These tools are essential for building scalable and efficient data solutions. BigQuery is a serverless data warehouse that allows you to run petabyte-scale analytics. It uses SQL-based queries and provides real-time insights. It also has built-in machine learning capabilities. Common uses for BigQuery include business intelligence, data analytics, and machine learning. Here is an example of a SQL query in BigQuery. Select product name and the sum of sales as total sales from the project dataset sales table, where the date is greater than or equal to January 1, 2024. Group by product name, order by total sales descending, and limit to the top 10 results. This query allows for fast execution on large datasets, uses standard SQL syntax, and provides automatic scaling. Dataflow is a unified stream and batch processing service. It supports both stream processing for real-time data and batch processing for large-scale data. Key capabilities include auto-scaling infrastructure, the Apache Beam software development kit, windowing and triggers, fault tolerance, and no operations management. This is a basic Apache Beam Python example. First, import Apache Beam as Beam. Then, within the Beam pipeline, read data from a text file, transform and process that data, and write the output to a BigQuery table. The typical pipeline flow is to first read the data from a source. Second, transform and process the data. And third, write the data to BigQuery. Pub or Sub is an asynchronous messaging service. In the messaging pattern, a publisher sends messages to a topic, and then the subscriber receives the messages from the topic, enabling decoupled communication between services. Key features include at least once delivery, global message ordering, push and pull delivery, auto-scaling, and dead letter queues. Here is an example of publishing messages in Python using the Google Cloud Pub or Sub client. First, create a publisher client. Then, publish the message by defining the topic path with the project ID and the topic name. Finally, call the publisher to publish the message, "Hello World," to the specified topic. Common uses for Pub or Sub include event-driven architecture for microservices communication, real-time analytics for stream processing triggers, and data integration for system synchronization. Here's an example of an integrated data pipeline. First, Pub or Sub receives the data, then Dataflow processes the data, and finally the processed data is loaded into BigQuery. This integration enables real-time data processing, a scalable architecture, and fully managed services. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.